Welcome back to another video on the channel, and this time we are in the car, which means I know exactly where we are this time. You know where we are too. Except for this time, we're doing the Marsh Trail. Yes, sir. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can follow the IG, DominicB_photography. That is in the description. Let's just get straight into the video. It's a decent amount of people out here today. I guess it does feel kind of good. A little bit. Not really though. It's kind of hot. It's on the hotter side. I'm gonna try to do a better job at keeping the camera in front of the GoPro. I literally the first thing I say is GoPro. That's crazy. You know the rule. As soon as you get on the trail, you gotta take a picture. It's like mandatory. It's like a yeah, I've been here, you know? I've been thinking about taking the strap off the camera. I'm not sure. Just so it won't be in the way. At least just for the videos. Just take the strap off for the videos. Dang, it's like my camera is already set to like a pretty good setting. Like I just came out here and started taking pictures. The bugs are already out. It is, what time is it right now? It's about 5:50, almost 6. I was gonna go to another park or another trail, but it closed at 6. And I was like, I might as well just do the Marsh Trail. I think I'm more excited for the marsh overlook. I think the marsh is going to be where we take most of our pictures. It's a lot of path pictures. Oh, maybe this is where, maybe if we went left on the, well yeah, obviously. If we went left on the waterway trail, we would have been over here. I hope there's like a way we can just, we don't have to go all the way back to go to the marsh. I should have wrote a letter hard. Damn, there's people up there. I should have found out a way to get up there. Or maybe that's the marsh. I don't know. Oh. I see how to get up there. I don't know if I should go up there or if I should go. Let's see what's up here. Oh, just some dirty water, you know. How about we go down this way a little bit, and then we can maybe get a picture of like the whole thing. Nope, this tree is blocking it. No, this is kind of a nice picture. Let's see how this is. Ooh, with the sun coming in, you see that? We might have got lucky. That might be a hidden gem. I probably should have waited till later so like the sky wasn't so white. I thought 6 o'clock would be late enough because sunset is around. It said sunset was around 7 to 8. There's another trail I looked at too. It was like, bro, the trail was called the Black Bear Trail. Like, that does not seem inviting. You might want to give that a different name, or not. If there's actually, you know, black bears out there, then okay, I guess. Thank you for warning me. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Oh, look, nice. Let's get like a upper. Nice. Hopefully I'm doing a good job of keeping the camera in front of the GoPro. But I guess you would rather me get the actual shot and have it up in the corner than you seeing it on the camera. You know? This might be a little bit, yeah. Let's get over there. These path pictures might. And then I also have a tendency to lean away when I am shooting. Oh yeah, the bushes. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, we're getting some pretty decent trail pictures, and then maybe get some of the light coming in. Maybe get like a landscape picture. Nah, I think for these trail pictures it's better portrait. Thank you, Leaf, for warning me that there was a spider web right there. Okay, this is kind of long. I wasn't expecting it to be this long, honestly. Oh yeah, like look at that light. I like it when the light comes in. That might be a nice little gem. Turn around, get this. Turn down the ISO. Turn it up a little bit more. That's good. I like shooting kind of dark and then just kind of making it lighter in editing. I feel like that works the best for me. Once again, I'll do an editing video if you guys or girls want it. I really almost started talking about Survivor once I said, once you guys. You gotta get out the way. Oh, they're cool. They need a GoPro.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
Yo.
You know, I wouldn't mind doing that. It's just, man, that's scary. I think this is the first time I've like encountered people on the trail while wearing the GoPro. The GoPro, oh my gosh, stop saying GoPro. I'm gonna have to edit in Osmo Action so many times, bro. It's just so hard to say Osmo Action. Like GoPro is like one of those things that's like a brand, but you think it's just the thing. Like Q-tips. I'm trying to find another one. I can't think right now. Oh yeah, I think we're getting to the end. We might be getting to the end of the trail, but we're not getting to the end of the video until we see that marsh. Until we see that marsh. But yeah, it seems like I'm gonna have to go back in order to take pictures of the marsh. I was hoping that like it would loop around and then I could just come back the marsh way. That would have been nice. Actually, this has 1/2. So I think we might only be halfway through. And if we are only halfway through, I'll chop it up so we can include the marsh in this video without it being too long. Oh, we're super close to the bridge that I took a picture of last video. Oh, dang, did we walk? I didn't think I walked this far. Yeah, this bridge is like right here. Oh my gosh. kind of want to get like a, I don't think I'm gonna be able to though. Not with these trees right here. I mean, I guess I could like try to get like a, yeah, like with it in the background. That might be a little cool. Yeah, that might be a little cool. We'll see. We will see. Unless we can get like a crazy view if we keep walking. I don't think so though, so. I wonder if like it's gonna loop me around to the waterway trail. Because that's what it seems like is happening. It's like looping me around. Oh yeah, look at that. We're like right underneath the bridge. Huh. Nice. Maybe we can get some cool pictures. This is unexpected. Like super unexpected. Nice. Let's try to. You guys probably can't see this, but you'll see when I put the picture up there. Hopefully it's looking good. Look at this, and we can go under it. What in the world? My mom probably not gonna like this. Me being under this bridge. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. Is there like a beach over here? See if we can get like a symmetrical picture. Ugh. Dang, why can't I get it? Okay. I think that's the best we gonna get. Maybe put some space in between the pillars so we can get the whole thing. Yeah, like that. Mom might not like this, but you gotta admit that this is a pretty cool picture. It's a pretty cool picture. Let's go up a little bit more for this one. You guys might not be able to see this while I'm taking this. It might be super loud too, by the way. I'm sorry if it's loud. I just realized. Then we'll take a picture maybe of this. Turn that ISO down. Yes, sir. Bump up that aperture. get the tree in there, I guess. Since it want to be in there so bad. Let's see how that looks. I don't know why it seems so crooked. I'll straighten it in editing, I guess. Okay. No, let's get some over here. Yeah, that might look nice. Nice. And now we will head back. I will see you when I am at the marsh. Woo. I figured since we started the video in the car, we might as well end the video in the car. Sorry we couldn't do the marsh overlook. At least we did the Marsh Trail. It seemed like it was going to be pretty good too. I'll come back and do it. I promise I'll come back and do it. I don't know when, maybe for like a short video. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG. That is DominicB_photography. It'll be in the description. And yeah, I will see you next video.